All right, I'm pretty excited about these Reef sheets. They're basically laundry detergents. They're 32 pre-measured sheets, and this can do up to 64 loads. So one of the first things I noticed, it's very light. So I'm someone who travels for work a lot, so this is going to come in handy because I can just throw this in my luggage and it's not even liquid, it's just sheets. They also come in these little sizes. So one has the linen scent and the other one is the deep blue. And then of course you have unscented. Let's look at what they look like. So what this company is trying to do is cut down on basically the plastic waste. It says to use this, you use 1 sheet for small load, 2 sheets for a medium load, and 3 sheets for a large load. Basically you just place the sheet in the washing machine, add the dirty laundry, and then run the washing machine as usual. So pretty easy. Let's look at what this looks like. They literally look like pieces of paper. They look like my little flashcard notes is what they look like. This is the unscented one. They did give me 3 in this one. So let's put this in. I'm gonna try smelling this one and the other one for you. So this one is a deep blue ocean scent. Doesn't have a strong smell to it. It is smooth on one side, by the way, and then it has more like a paper feel on here. And then this one is the coastal calm. This is linen scent. So the scents themselves are not overpowering, which I like. I'm actually gonna wet one of these for you to see what it looks like. All right, so I have some water here. I just wanted to show you what this looks like because I wanted to see if I'm gonna have a piece of paper in my laundry when it's done. So stirring it to see what happens. So it melted. It dissolved pretty quickly. It does have some suds in it. I don't see the paper anymore, so it did melt. So that's good. All right, so I really like the fact that this is something that is very lightweight. It doesn't come in plastic. So this one box can do up to 64 loads of laundry. It's already pre-measured, so it's not as messy. So for someone like me who has kids that need to do their laundry, right? Sometimes when we have the liquid detergent, it can get pretty messy, right? Because they're just not as careful as we are. So this is already pre-measured and they just need to throw it in there. You saw that it dissolves pretty quickly, so you're not gonna have pieces of paper and things like that that is going to be in your clothes. If you're looking to upgrade your laundry detergent, you should definitely check this one out.